Sheesh. This is what we're working with today. Quarantine mode activated out here, baby. So tell me, how's life been?
Rough, been nappy.
Nappy, not happy. If I go viral, you'll just take royalties, okay, on the video. 2%? See what we could do with this.
I got a couple of sons, a couple of guns, a couple of that bust up the party and fuck up the fun. She did.
What's good, everybody? It's 9310 now with another video. About to do a high burst fade tutorial today. So first and foremost, before we get started with the cut, we comb out the hair, untangle all of that. He's got real wavy hair, so I gotta go through with the comb. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start my bald guideline with my Babyliss skeletons. These are hitters, super clean. Then I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the bulk with the 2-guard, and I'll take it up to the parietal ridge of where I want my fade to end, but I need some room to see what I'm working with. Just want to make sure that I can see my canvas, keep it clean for the rest of the fade. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with my lever open. And I'll work up to about an inch. He likes his fades, his burst fades pretty high. So I wanted to stretch out the blend. Alright, next gonna take my 1-guard with the lever open. As you can see, I'm kind of scooping out, flicking out my wrist as I get higher into the hair. Now I got my fast feeds. I have the lever closed, and I'm just gonna slowly open up the lever the higher I go up into the next guideline. This is where I just play around, always making sure I take out all the dark spots, making sure that the blend comes out Now I'm gonna go ahead and comb down the rest of the bulk on top of the head. Whatever is lying over the fade, I just take my flat comb and just graze it with the clipper. This just makes sure that the whole profile of the head is straight. You don't have no corners just peeking out, and it makes the blend and the transition look a lot more cleaner. So I see that there's a lot of dark spots still. I want to just go ahead and clean that up with the 2-guard. I have the lever open. This flick out motion prevents me from wanting to create another guideline. So here's just some cleanup work. Alright, now that you already seen the process of it, I'm just gonna go ahead and just time lapse this. Enjoy the video. Dun, 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 dun. So we notice that the top is long, so I'm gonna go ahead and just trim it. First I'll saturate my client's hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and section off the top, and I want it to be a straight line through the middle. So I'm gonna come one side to the left, the other side to the right, and keep a thin strip right there. That's gonna be my guideline on how the whole, all the hair on top of the head is gonna hold. So I talked to him how long he wants it, we measure it out, and we cut it. This, I feel like it builds like confidence with the client on what you're doing, and you get a better idea without having to be like 1 inch, 2 inches, just better. So as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that same length across the head at a 90-degree angle. No, I'm just kidding. Just cut it parallel to the head. I don't even know what we're talking about, but it looked like we're having a good time. Hey yo, shout out to Illusion Capes. They always provide some really dope just capes for everybody in the barbers. I appreciate, the donation that they've been giving me. Alright, so as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead, and the guideline, it determines how that whole left side is gonna be looking. Making sure that you cut before the second nipple. See, that's fundamentals. That way, the hair just holds more correctly when you cut. It's not tight. As you can see, boom, that whole side is done. Go ahead and do the same thing. Cut. And you just gotta make sure that your guidelines are clean and crisp. That way it makes the entire haircut easier to do. Here we go. Just wanna say happy 2021 to everybody. Hope everyone has big goals, big dreams, big changes that they want to make in their life. Some positive things pushing in the world. It's comeback season. Gotta make sure we're doing the right things. Shout out to the Lakers. You already know. Shout out to the Dodgers. You already know. Okay, now I'm done with the cutting. I'm gonna go ahead and just dry out the hair. Put the clamps on. White boys out here getting lineups is real. Y'all didn't know this, but once a white boy get a lineup, he really about that life. Yes, sir. So here we go with the Milky Pomade Blurry Boys Club. I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Yes, this is my own custom pomade. It works great, as you can see. Dropped this a couple weeks ago. Had a great response from people, and it's been good. So when you use this product, just make sure it's a pomade. It's not like a wax or gel, but it has like a dry finish. So as you can see, with this, it has a natural look. Doesn't add too much like gloss, but really, really nice. It's got like a matte texture look. So as you can see, it doesn't look like he just got up and he can go. got up and go. Look at that. He got up and go looking like that. That's sad. But we don't do that around here at the Blur Boys Club. Come out looking like this. Woo. Yes, sir. Change lives. Thank you. And with that being said, appreciate everybody watching the video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for the support. This is only 2021. Planning on dropping more videos in the future. Till then, peace.